What if I told you that the old t-shirts sitting in your drawer or headed to the trash are actually better cleaning cloths than anything you can buy from a store? And that transforming them takes literally 2 minutes with zero sewing skills required. What if you could eliminate paper towels from your life, save many dollars annually, reduce your environmental footprint dramatically, and have the most effective cleaning cloths you've ever used, all from clothes you were going to throw away? I made this switch 3 months ago, and I'll never go back. Stay with me, because this simple zero-waste hack will change how you clean forever. Main script: the waste problem I couldn't ignore. Let me tell you something that genuinely started bothering me. Every week, I was going through an entire roll of paper towels, cleaning counters, wiping spills, drying surfaces, dusting. Each sheet used once and thrown away forever. I calculated my annual paper towel spending, over $100 every year, on something I used for 30 seconds and discarded. And the environmental impact? Each roll of paper towels requires cutting down trees, using enormous amounts of water in manufacturing, and creates non-recyclable waste. I was spending money to create pollution. Why t-shirt material is perfect for cleaning. Here's what makes old t-shirts superior cleaning cloths. Cotton jersey, the material most t-shirts are made from, has several properties that make it ideal. It's highly absorbent, absorbing 7 times its weight in liquid. It's lint-free when washed and worn, unlike new cotton that sheds fibers. It's soft enough to clean delicate surfaces without scratching. It stretches slightly, conforming to surfaces for better contact. And unlike paper towels, it doesn't fall apart when wet or leave paper residue. Professional cleaning services actually use cotton t-shirt material because of these properties. The 2-minute conversion method. Here's the exact process requiring zero sewing and zero special tools. Lay your old t-shirt flat on a table. Cut off the collar in a straight line just below the neckband. Cut off both sleeves at the shoulder seams. You now have the main body of the shirt. Cut this body section into horizontal strips approximately 20 to 25 centimeters wide. Each strip becomes one cleaning cloth when cut from the folded fabric, giving you 2 layers of material. Cut the strips open along one side seam to create flat cloths. The different uses for different shirt parts. Here's a tip that maximizes your conversion. The main body panels make excellent general cleaning cloths for counters, surfaces, and spills. The sleeve sections, being tubular, make perfect dusting cloths. Slip them over your hand like a glove for efficient dusting of shelves, blinds, and furniture. The collar section, though small, makes good detail cleaning cloths for faucets, around drains, and tight spaces. Nothing goes to waste. Every piece of the shirt has a purpose. The washing and care system. After use, I don't mix cleaning cloths with regular laundry. I keep a small basket in my kitchen for used cloths. When it's full, I run a hot wash cycle specifically for cleaning cloths. Hot water sanitizes them completely. After washing, I fold and stack them in a drawer. They're ready for next use. Each cloth can be washed hundreds of times, lasting years of regular use. I color code my cloths by the original shirt color. Blue shirts became bathroom cloths. White shirts became kitchen cloths. Dark shirts became floor cleaning and dusty task cloths. This prevents cross-contamination between areas. Simple system. Zero additional cost. The results after 3 months. 3 months of zero paper towels. My kitchen is actually cleaner because cloths clean better than paper towels. Paper towels smear liquid rather than absorbing it. T-shirt cloths genuinely absorb and clean. Surfaces I clean with cloths are cleaner than with paper towels. My annual saving, over $100. Environmental impact, approximately 52 rolls of paper towels not manufactured, equaling trees saved, water saved, and waste eliminated, plus 12 t-shirts diverted from landfill. Small actions creating real environmental impact. The psychological shift. This simple switch changed my perspective on consumption generally. Once you start seeing waste as a resource, everything looks different. Those worn-out socks? Cut into small cleaning cloths. Old towels? Cut into bathroom cloths. Worn bedsheets? Cut into large floor cleaning cloths. Nothing needs to be wasted. Everything has another purpose before it finally reaches end of life. Now you can turn old t-shirts into cleaning cloths in 2 minutes. Cut collar, cut sleeves, cut body into strips, use immediately. If this just eliminated paper towels from your life while solving your old clothes problem, smash that like button. Subscribe and ring the notification bell for more zero-waste solutions that save you money. Share with anyone still buying paper towels. Comment how many old t-shirts you have ready to convert. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, convert instead of discard, waste nothing, and clean better for free.